Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial series about top-down shooter. Today is the first episode. So I'm going to make top-down shooter. I'm going to teach you coding in GameMaker Studio. I'm going to make a bunch of stuff in this game. Maybe stealth, maybe leveling, skills, everything I can think of. I'm going to show you. It's going to be fun, so hope you like it. Let's start. First thing we're going to do is make a sprite for our player. Right click, create sprite, name it sprite player. Give it a sprite by clicking edit sprite, new sprite, OK. So our first sprite is going to be very simple. Just make a circle, paint in color you like. Let's use white color so we know where he is facing. So because it's a top-down shooter, we kinda need reference where our player is facing. Press OK, OK, and center our sprite. So it's going to rotate by center, not like over there. You will get it. Let's make a wall. So we have walls, I guess. Sprite wall, edit sprite, new sprite, OK, and just painting that. What color you like. So, OK, center that as well, and save. Don't forget to save. If your PC crashes, you lost everything. Happened to me like a bunch of times. You get rage. Let's make a background. So like our view. When we test everything in our room, looks kinda nice. I'm going to make a grass. Uh, like this. Press OK, and that's it. First thing we need to create our player object. Create object. See this folder, right click, create object. This window pop out. Change the name into object player. Give it a sprite player we just made. Press OK, and now create a room. We call this room test. Give it width and height 640 or 480. Speed or frames per second 60. So this is our room. And another thing we need to change is backgrounds. We made our grass background into BK grass. See, it looks better than just gray plain, I guess. And add our player to the middle. So that's it for setup. Now we need to make our player move, because we need to input logic code. And the best place to input code for moving is this step event, because this step event triggers every frame the game runs. So like our game runs 60 frames per second, this is going to trigger 60 times a second. To put some code in it, in this right hand side, you click Control and drag this code shit. Yes, I call it like that, I don't know why. You hate it, you love it. So first thing we're gonna do is learn if method. If is like if you do something, if you click something, do that. If you do this, do that. Pretty simple. If in brackets with keyboard check. So if we press specific key, we key left specifically, curly brackets. So everything in these two curly brackets is going to happen in this if. So if, and these curly brackets is for this if. Get it? I've not kind of explained, I don't know right word, but you'll get it. It's quite easy. So if we keyboard check VK left, we need to move our player, and we're going to move it by changing its coordinates. Fuck English. Coordinates. Let me explain coordinates in GameMaker. So we have this X and Y. Yes, Y is on bottom side. My Y is perfect. Not here, but here. It's reverse. So our player, let's say, is this fucked up thing. So when we move right, we're going to add to our X coordinate. To move left, we subtract. To go down, we add, and we go up, we subtract. Quite easy. So our little thing, if we want to go left, we're going to make this X equals X minus 1. So we're going to subtract our current X coordinate by 1. Let's see how it works. Let it compile, kind of. Oh yeah. We press left, it goes left. Now let's do that 4 times for all directions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's this make bigger. Now let's do for right. For right, we're just going to make this minus the plus because we add to right. We add x coordinate to right. So let's do up. We need this one. Change x to y because up is at y. And we subtract because it's going opposite, and this just add. For down you add, because you going down you add. That's how it goes. And that's quite it. When you press play, it automatically saves it for you and then compiles it and start. See, yay, we can go in every direction. Yay, you're a programmer now. Wow! You have so much to learn. If you're new, if you're advanced, I don't know why you're watching this, but thanks. So let's make our player rotate. So how we change angle of our image? GameMaker has image angle. Yes. And we set it to point direction. So point direction works. You take 2 x and y coordinates. So let's say this is our player and here is our mouse. So first x and y, see here, x1, x, y1 is our player x and y. Second, x2, y2 is our mouse x and y. So let's just input x and y for our players, and mouse x and mouse y is mouse x, mouse y. Straightforward. That's why I like this GameMaker so much. Everything is just straightforward. You want to change angle of the image? Yeah, image angle. Yeah, you want mouse coordinate, mouse x, mouse y. So easy. Now, let's start and see what we done. Yeah, see? Our player rotates. That's freaking awesome. This is just for this tutorial. We're going to make him shoot, collide with walls, shoot enemies, collect upgrades, fucking upgrade levels, RPG, I don't know. RPG shooter, top-down RPG shooter. That would be freaky. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it. If you want to see more, subscribe, punch the notification button, and see you in next episode. Thanks for watching.